Welcome to a new video. This tutorial will show you how to repair several Volkswagen Polo 5 instrument clusters display using Minitools replacement flat. For this repair you will need the following tools. Position the dashboard as shown and undo the rear screws. With the help of the spudger, leverage on the side clips to remove the back and the front cover of the cluster. Fit the gauge face protective disc and remove the needles, gently rotating and pulling them. Unhook and remove the LCD from its housing and release the PCB from the white plastic. Detach the flat from the board and then from the display. Carefully clean the traces on the display with some solvent. Peel and cut off a portion of the rear film of the flat. Place the flat on the display, making sure the contacts are perfectly matching. With the soldering iron with T-tip at 350 degrees, press several times along the flat to seal it on the LCD. Clean the contacts on the board with some solvent. Peel off the rest of the film from the flat and with the help of a support, place it correctly on the board. Seal it by using again the soldering iron with T-tip at 350 degrees, gently pressing along the contacts. Reattach the white plastic to the PCB and fit the display in its housing, as shown. Put the needles back to the right level with the head of the Minitools shim and bring them back to their original position, as shown. Reassemble the back and the front cover. Tighten the screws. Switch on the dashboard. Perfetto! Problem solved! Thank you for choosing Minitools.